Hi everyone, so I'm going to explain to you how to use Microsoft Teams because the school board would prefer us to use that over Zoom. There's been some security issues with Zoom. So at first what you're going to need to do is you're going to go to the website for the school board. And you're going to click right here on Office 365, the same way you log in to get your emails. Once you do that, you'll get a page that looks like this, where you would normally look at your emails, but then you have something here called Teams. So when you click on Teams right here, you're going to have something that looks like this, which is basically this is the teacher version, but you have here, for example, the Teams for everybody who's in my group 303 in regular English. And then here you can start conversation with the people. I can upload files. But what we're really wanting to do with Teams is I'm going to show you how to schedule meetings for office hours. Because I'm not able to invite all of you and then have it more on a voluntary basis. You're going to have to be more precise with your request. So you're going to actually want to start a chat with me. And here you can enter my name here at the top, and then you can ask me, for example, can I be part of the conversation? Because what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to make a topic for group discussions. So if the topic is of interest to you, you'll be able to participate. So it's going to be more structured and not as much just me watching you game in share screen, right? So you need to be precise. You want to be part of Tuesday, April 21st at 2 p.m. conversation, which then I will invite you personally so you get the link to join the conversation. How is that going to look? Well, when you can go back here and you can click on Outlook, and when you click, you'll get something like this, which is basically your inbox information. So first, you'll get an email. Your email is going to look like this. It's going to be from me, and then you'll have here a link on how to join the Teams meeting. So you'll be able to just click that. You need to make sure that you're at the right time, of course, otherwise I will not be there. Another option that you have is to go to calendar, and when I invite you personally to this meeting, what you're going to get is in your calendar, it's going to tell you that, for example, at 2 on April 21st, we have impacts of pornography in French. So you'll be able to also click here the link. So now you'll get two choices. You'll get the choice to join on the web, so on your browser. That means you don't have to download anything, but you can also download the Windows app so that you have it as kind of like as a program on your computer. Either ways are good. You'll still be able to join the conversation, and that's how we're gonna do it on Teams. Also, when you do a new chat, you can. Another thing that we can also do is I can also answer your questions through this chat, so we don't necessarily need to have a video. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.